Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be reviewing ClickWages. ClickWages is a platform that claims to offer users the opportunity to earn money through online tasks. However, multiple reviews and users' experiences suggest that it may not be a legitimate source for income. Several reviewers have labeled ClickWages as a scam, highlighting concerns about its operation and the potential for users to be misled. Now, it's important to be cautious with platforms that promise easy earning through simple online tasks. The Federal Task Commission, the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC has issued warnings about game-like online job scams, where individuals are lured into performing tasks with the promise of income only to be defrauded. These scams have resulted in significant financial losses for many individuals. Now, given the available information, as you can see the review websites over here, now I'm on Quora. It is advisable to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before engaging with ClickWages or similar platforms. Consider seeking alternative, verified methods of earning income online to ensure your financial safety. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you and to let you know that is ClickWages is good or not. Thank you so much for watching.